Right, okay, just for the trigger assembly, I have to, it's a new trigger, so you have to do trigger assembly, so you have to re-add the wires, put the wires back on. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take my soldering iron to the copper. And just feed it in, it'll find its way. It'll hold on to the copper. Now, so I've just topped up the solder on the two of them. A piece of plastic just sits there. Once the two pieces of copper are in between it, there's a small screw here to hold it on. That comes off. Take the two pieces of copper out. And these are the two pieces of copper that make the connection to the trigger head. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to put the cables onto these. This is fairly straightforward. Yeah, we need the soldering iron again here. Now, just heat up the copper from behind. And it should melt the solder. It has. Okay. And that's it. The cable soldered back onto the copper. Now the other cable, which will go to the other side of the motor connections as well. Same again. Just get the soldering iron behind. Zoom in a bit so you can see what's going on. Let's get the soldering behind. Soldering iron behind it. It's copper. Again, just no, still moving. Typical. At last. Nice one. Okay, so the two bits of copper cables are soldered back onto the two bits of copper, and we now have to put them back into the trigger. Okay, so this one goes on the inside, and this one goes on the outside. Now, just to clamp them in then, and just place the piece of plastic that comes with it. Just place that back over on top. Just get a nice snug fit. Which we should do. Okay, and then just put the screw in. Okay. Just double check that's okay. Well, seems to be fine. Don't over tighten that screw because it is all going into plastic. If you over tighten it, you'll just thread the hole. Now, okay, so that's the trigger assembly rewired. It's a front wired AEG that I'm putting it into. So this will be heading out to the front of the gearbox. And that's it.